Intelligence agencies and police conducted an operation in Abdullah Villas in Qasimabad area of Hyderabad, Pakistan on Monday and recovered a remote control bomb. Bomb disposal squad defused the bomb after an effort of 1 hour and avoided a major catastrophe. Police sources said that 5 to 6 kilogram explosive material was used in the bomb. According to DSP Qasimabad Ghulam Shabbir, the operation was conducted in the area on a tip-off and remote control bomb was recovered from a house. He further informed that no arrest was made from the spot.